Hey y'all, how's it going? So today is exciting. If you did not know, this year I actually am a part of the YouTube Black Voices Fund class of 2022. And I haven't really talked much about this on my channel as of yet because I've been in the experience. Like I've been taking the classes, I've been really taking in everything that YouTube has been teaching us. And tonight we actually have a virtual event where YouTube sent me a ton of stuff to basically cook the whole fam an amazing shrimp pasta dish. So y'all check out all this stuff that they sent. They sent all the ingredients that I need: shrimp, seasonings, pasta, all the greens. But I did want to talk a little bit about how this program has been going for me in case you are someone who is interested in maybe applying. This is a multi-year opportunity. So for the next few years into the future, you'll be able to have an opportunity to apply to be a part of the Black Voices Fund. And for me, it was like crazy to even think that they would choose me because I've been on YouTube since like 2010. I started my channel as a beauty channel and for years ran it that way. But as I've grown, I started my channel when I was 19. I am now 31 and a mom, a wife, and so many other things that my channel has really changed and become more about my lifestyle and my family and motherhood and all of that sort of stuff. So I just felt so blessed that even through all the years that I've been on YouTube and had success with my beauty content as lipstick and curls before, that they actually saw this new direction that I was taking and really believed in it. I won't list off all the perks of being a part of this program, but I will say this. Listen, they funded your girl, okay? There is a financial investment that they make into every creator that is a part of this program. And that to me is huge because a lot of times brands, agencies, organizations, platforms can say that they support creators, especially Black creators, but like put some money where your mouth is though, okay? So that's what YouTube did. And honestly, for me, it has been such an incredible blessing to my platform, to my family. And it's really been that extra push that I needed to not give up on YouTube, to be honest, because I started to feel like with all these other apps and all these other platforms popping up, that maybe YouTube just wasn't for me anymore. And this program really gave me an inside look, fresh perspective on why YouTube is such an important platform for me and my audience and why I love it so much. It kind of revived my love and appreciation for what this platform did for me and my career in the beginning. And now I'm excited to still be here and turn over a new leaf with YouTube supporting me. So I only wanted to really quickly hop on here and just chat up the YouTube Black Voices Fund. Definitely check out all the creators that are part of the fund. They span from creators in the US to Brazil to Canada, the UK. There's all sorts of different types of creators that you should totally look into. There is so many unique types of creators as well that I was just like, wow, like I never knew that YouTube was actually this big, like this vast, this diverse, even within the Black community here. So I totally encourage you to check these creators out. And definitely, if you are a creator, apply each year. Even if you don't get in the first year you try again, because this is one of those programs where I am so appreciative that I've been able to have the opportunity. And I know that there are some of you out there that desire and deserve to be here too. But since you're here, let's look at all the stuff that YouTube sent. So we first have this little pack here. It has YouTube creator. It says Voices, Black Voices Creator. And let's see what's in here. Oh, it's like a locked little bag, which is actually nice because if you have like camera equipment or like, well, really camera equipment, I'm sure is what they intended it to be for. Like when you're traveling and stuff. I don't know if I can get it open because I don't know what the code is. Well, there's something in here. There's something special in here. Maybe they're gonna tell us at the event tonight. We'll see. So I'll put this to the side. Then I've got, oh, this is cute. I've got a little chef's apron. It says Jade Godbolt on here. YouTube Black Voices. So cute. Even fits over the bump. So I can wear it. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to make it make sense later when we get started. We've got a little journal here. It says cook it up. Just for like note taking and things like that. Oh wow, there's a whole wok in here. So I guess this is what we'll be cooking on tonight. I was thinking, how are we all gonna do this together, like make a whole meal? But I see now, they done sent us everything that we could possibly need. So there's my wok. Oh cool, got a little strainer here for my pasta. It's a cutting board. So we can, oh, that is so dope. Y'all look, it says Black Voices Creator on there. Isn't that cute? Oh, that is so cute. Oh, wow, that's awesome. I love that. Mark is gonna love that. Because really low key, he be the one doing most of the cooking in our house. Awesome, so I got some cooking utensils in here. Like wrapped up. Oh, cute. It's like silverware in there. Oh, cute. Super cute. So like, that's like, if you like take lunches to go and stuff, it's got like a little container that you can pop it in and travel with. Oh, that's cute. I love that. Sustainability, okay? Sustainability. And even goes back in here. We got another pot in here, I guess, to actually boil our pasta in. So that'll be for when we boil the pasta. Oh, cool. It's a cooktop. Oh, awesome. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. So now we could really like get our cooking videos going, like for real, like anywhere. Oh, this is bomb. Okay, so this is what we'll actually be cooking on tonight. And yeah, this will be exciting.
Hey everybody, it is so good to see all of you here. I am Rumi, aka Emergency, aka a fellow member of the 2022 creator class, and I will be your host today. Welcome to Cook It Up. Now, while I may be your host today, I am by no means a chef, but luckily we have a special guest, Terry Ann from Terry Ann's Kitchen, to lead us to the light. We're gonna learn how to cook from the master herself.
It's gonna be my jerk shrimp rasta pasta. It was just literally viral sensation over on YouTube when I uploaded, I think, a year ago. And I thought I would share this recipe with you guys.
So this was actually the first time I've ever done like a virtual cooking class, which was actually a really fun experience. And I actually had a ton of fun doing this. So as you can see here, I'm basically taking you through the recipe that we all made together, and I was pleasantly surprised at how yummy this was. So keep on watching just to, you know, enjoy a little vibe and some cooking until we see the end result. So now my pasta is all finished up, getting a little bowl for Sarai ready. Of course, I got to pull out the bell peppers because she don't do bell peppers, but they were so good. I ate all the bell peppers in this pasta. But yes, I went ahead and plated myself some, Mark some, and even Micah ate the pasta. We literally all ate this pasta. Added on my little cooked shrimp. Y'all, this was so yummy. And as families do, we all ate together on our virtual table. And there was also this package, remember, that basically they gave us the code to open, but I could not get mine open. So yeah, I basically ended up cutting this bag open. But look, they're little Jades. They're cookies that were in the bag, and they were actually very delicious. Let me see, baby. Wait, turn it around. No, turn the cookie. You like mommy's cookie? Is it good? Did you like the pasta? What do you like better? You like the pasta more or the cookie more? Of course. So shout out to YouTube, y'all. Thank y'all so much for this opportunity to be a part of the Black Voices Fund, for this whole little setup we got going on here. Let me know if y'all have any other questions, particularly about the Black Voices Creator Fund, my experience, anything else about it that you want to know. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.